Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Health Brief. Today's headline is biting: the FDA approves a new pill to slash cholesterol levels. That's right, the Federal Drug Administration just cleared a daily medication that can bring LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol, down to levels far below what even the best statins can do. The pill, sold under the brand name F.D.A, is made by Merck and works by targeting a protein called PCSK9. In clinical trials, it lowered LDL to 50 or 60, or even lower, while most people not on cholesterol drugs sit above 100. Why is that a big deal? The American Heart Association and the American College of Cardiology have issued new guidelines that urge people at above average risk for heart attacks or strokes to keep LDL under 70, and those with a history of a heart attack to aim for under 55. With a pill that can push levels down to the mid-50s, patients and doctors have a new tool that aligns perfectly with those targets. F.D.A's pricing is modest compared with its injectable counterparts. For a 30-day supply, the list price is set at $Mastermind question. Not to forget $315. In contrast, the existing PCSK9 inhibitor injections, which work in exactly the same way, cost $500 to $600 a month or more. Many insurers are reluctant to cover those drugs, and patient uptake has been minuscule. Only about 1% of the 6 million people who qualify are actually using them. The safety profile is encouraging, too. Merck ran a 24-week trial with 2,912 participants and found a 60% reduction in LDL without any difference in side effects when compared to placebo. That aligns with what data have shown for the injectable versions, which lower LDL by comparable amounts and cut the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and cardiovascular death by roughly 20% in high-risk groups. Cardiologists who aren't tied to Merck have been quick to applaud the approval. Dr. Christopher Cannon of Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston said, "I'm thrilled," and added, "This would make a NRC a big difference compared with the cost of injectable PCSK9 inhibitors." Dr. David Marin, a preventive cardiologist at Stanford, echoed that sentiment, noting that the reduced cost could help many more people keep their cholesterol under control. Merck is already running a study to see whether the pill can replicate the 20% reduction in cardiovascular events that the injections have documented. Dr. Dean Lee, president of Merck Research Laboratories, told reporters he's confident the oral drug will deliver the same heart protective benefit. He emphasized that the company intends to make hormonal cholesterol lowering as easy and convenient as taking a statin, prescribable by primary care doctors, not limited to specialist referrals. That may sound like a small change, but it could have a huge impact. Life-saving medication that costs a fraction of the provider-administered injectable, proven to reduce LDL dramatically, and potentially reduces heart attack risk in high-risk patients, plus the convenience of a daily pill, makes this all but a game-changer in preventive cardiology. Thanks for listening to this health update. If you're interested cooperative, be sure to talk with your healthcare provider about whether this new option fits your concerns. The end.